Welcome back, YouTube. I wanted to do a video on the sound system I just put into my E9325i and kind of just show how I ran the wires in case somebody wants to mimic this setup for themselves. I'm going to come over here to the battery and you're going to see my two power wires. One is here, the 4 gauge, and you can see there's a fuse on it. The other one is here, which is a 10 gauge for the DSP. And you can see the fuse is right there. Always put fuses on your power wires, guys. And obviously the 4 gauge is going to the amplifier. I ran the wires through here, so you're not going to be able to see them when I put all the panels back. And then here you see my grounds. That's one of the grounds there, and the other ground is there. That's the ground for the DSP, and that's the ground for the amplifier. Now what I did was I used the original stock OEM mount, Amplifier Mount, for the aftermarket, and I mounted the DSP on top of it. So they're right next to each other. The amplifier is underneath here. I used a DS18 6-channel amp, which is 80 RMS per channel at a 4 ohm load. And you can see all the speaker wires there. This is the harness that connects to the car, and you see all these wires go into the inputs on the amplifier there for the different channels. And you can see the harness here. Now for the amplifier, show you my ground wire for the amplifier, my remote wire turn on for the amplifier, and my power wire for the amplifier. So that's how I ran that. And then for the DSP here, you'll see here is the power wire for the DSP, the ground wire for the DSP, and the remote turn on for the DSP, which I just jumped from the DSP to the amplifier. And there's the RCAs. So with the DSP, you can clean up the sound, enrich the sound, tune the sound through the RCA. So these are the different channels. Obviously, this is the RCA is going in, and these are going out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are going out to the different channels. So just to give you an idea of how I ran my system and then mounted it all together. In case you're looking to do the same thing. If you do have any questions, feel free to just message me or leave feedback. Once I put this video up, I'm more than happy to answer any questions for you guys. And just another last look at the battery. And the fuses. Always put fuses, guys, on the power wires. I have to say, the system sounds awesome. I love it. And I did this system for approximately $500, and that's including all new speakers on the inside, which are 75 RMS, a new amplifier, and a DSP. 500 bucks. So you're looking to do something like this. This is how I did mine. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys.